and welcome back to the website design tutorial. Mackenzie Query here. So in the last video I showed you how to create how to build the About Us page. So the About Us page came out looking fine, and so now we are going to build the services page. So let's get started. So once you've logged into your back end, you go to your pages. Once you open pages, then you click on what services. I usually like right clicking and open on the new tab. You know me. Okay, so we have services here. Remember, we do the same thing. We go to the page attribute, we click on the template drop down, and we click on elementor canvas. We make sure that our hide title is toggled on. Okay, this tick must be there. Then we update. After updating, then we can now click on edit with elementor. Good. This gives us our blank page. We can just add all the templates that are needed. My templates. The first template we need here is the header. Good. Second template we're going to need is that hero. Let's just edit while it, this thing is, it seems this thing toggles on its own. I will deal with that later on. So let's just edit that as we go. As we add, we edit. Okay, so edit this heading here. This one is going to be services, right? Then right click on an edit section, go to style. Then we're going to change this image. We have an image for services. I'm going to import that into my media library. Once that is imported, then we just insert media. Cool and easy. The next thing we need is the footer, the call to action. So we insert that call to action. Good. We need also footer sub as the first before footer. Then footer. Okay, so let's check out our mockup for services page and see what we are missing. Okay, so this middle part is what we are missing, the services, the listing of the services. There are about 3 services here. So that's what we are going to do now. So let's insert another template here, this body. We might not need that, but anyways, we've already done it, so we're going to delete that. We're not going to need this heading. Delete that. And it seems that we're going to need to add like 2 sections. Okay, so let's open up our elementor. Come on. Okay, so elementor elements. So we have to add these 2 sections here. Really don't need to do that anyways. What we can do is that we can right click on this edit column here, right click, and then duplicate. Once you duplicate, this turns into 2 columns. This text we can put inside 1 column, right? and then we need a heading for that. Okay, we will still need this heading. Okay, just scratch what I said before. We are going to need this heading. This heading is very much needed. Okay, so we're going to change this heading first of all to audio production. Okay, we're going to push that to the left, and then we're going to right click on this column and duplicate it. Good, that gives us 2 columns. Okay, and we're going to also duplicate this one two more times. Duplicate that 2 more times. First one here, we're going to delete these 2. In the second part here, we're going to delete these 2. Third part here, we're going to delete these 2. Second part, we change it to video production, and third, change it to photography. Okay. So let's just paste our text first of all. So let me go to where my text is. I'm going to see audio production here. Copy. Paste audio production. Go to video production. Copy that. Paste video production. Go to photography. Copy that. Paste for photography. So we still have the image to put there. We still need to put an image there. So let's go to our elements, elementor elements, and then we take this image and just drop it there. Also need to take, okay, let's just edit that image first of all, right? So we're going to click on choose image, upload files, select, and then let's check for the first image. That first image should be somewhere around let's see. Got you. Insert that. I'm going to need another image there, and third one image there too. Can see this thing is pretty easy. It's just a drag and drop thing. Choose the second image, upload, select file. The second image should be starting from video production, right? Found the second image. one of the things that made this thing really easy is the fact that we have a plan. Insert media, that's good for video production. The third one is photography. We're going to edit that image. Click on insert media. Okay, so we're done with that, but we still need to add, they are too close together, so we need to add some sort of spacing in between them. So let's see what we can do concerning that. I'm going to right click on this inner section. I'm going to edit inner section, go to the advanced, and then unlink these, and then at the bottom here we're just going to put 50, margin of 50, right? Margin of 50 will just give it some space there. We're going to do that for this other section. Edit inner section. Now you can see this blue part, the blue portion, right? That's what we're adding. You know, click on this link so they are not linked together. We're going to add another 50. 50 pushes it down a bit, and it's pretty good there. So we want these to, we have to change the location because this is not where it's supposed to be. It's right there. Okay, and then we update. So let's visit the services page and see how it looks. So you can see this. Well, you already know what to do when this happens. Come to services. Hide title, elementor canvas, and update. Good, and once we refresh this, good, it gives us something good. And see audio production, video production, everything is looking up nicely, right? There's also something, I just need to touch on something here. The space in between this one and this, it's too close together. So I'm going to just reduce this a bit. Each of these columns, I'm going to start from the first one. Okay, so that's all for this video. We just finished creating the services page. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Mackenzie Query out.